Hey guys, welcome back to a review. So today I want to show you guys this LED light. I'm going to actually unplug it so you guys can get a better look. I call this my work light slash gym light. I do have to figure out what better way to get it plugged in and not have like the cord hanging here. But it works perfectly. As you saw, it is extremely bright. I can get the cord out of the way when I'm not using it, but it is extremely effective for me in here with what I needed it to do. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. I think there you go. It's not super lightweight and it's super heavy either. You can see right there. It does come with some accessories right here. You can hook it up. Right there, I already went ahead and screwed that piece in. As you can see, it's hanging up on a hook that I already have on my ceiling. So that does not come with it, but it's a plug-in, and you can use it really anywhere you want. I have it in my gym, but you can use it wherever you like. It works wonderful. It's LED, and LED just lasts me longer and it's more efficient in energy. So if you guys are watching this and you're thinking, is it gonna work for you? It works for me, and it provides a ton of luminance for the light that I need. So go check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.